everyone, it's Miss Kerri. Today I thought I would turn to the Bible and read the story of Noah. So let's begin. Noah's Ark. This comes from Genesis 6 through 9 in the Bible. After Adam and Eve left the garden, many people were born. The people kept doing bad things, and they forgot about God, except Noah. Noah loved God. God was sad that everyone but Noah forgot about him. He told Noah about his plan to start over. "Make yourself an ark," God said. "Here's how." So Noah and his family began working on the ark. When it was done, God said, "Take your family and 2 of every animal on the ark." Animals creaked and crawled, hopped and galloped onto Noah's new boat. After everyone was inside, the rain began to fall and fall and fall. The ark rocked this way and that way on the rising water. Finally, the rain stopped. Water covered everything. Everyone inside the ark was safe. Noah and his family were very, very happy. One day, Noah sent a dove to find land. It flew, but never found any. So it came back. 1 week later, Noah sent the dove out again. This time, it brought him an olive leaf. Noah cheered. It must have found land. The ark finally came to rest on top of a mountain. God told Noah to leave the ark. Noah and his family praised God, and God put a beautiful rainbow in the sky. It was a sign of his promise to never flood the whole earth again. And that's the story of Noah and Noah's Ark. Thanks for listening.